Event binding. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is event binding, simple example program to understand this event binding. Event binding is basically one-way data binding where the data passes from template to component class. When user interacts with the application by clicking on mouse button or keyboard key pressed or mouse over, it generates an event. This event initiates event data binding. Okay, if you want to use that event binding, we need to specify that event within the parentheses, then is equal to, within the double quotes, we need to write the component method. When that specific event raised, that specific method of the component class will be called. Suppose if I want to use the click event of button, then you have to write click within the parentheses is equal to component class method we need to write. If you want to pass any data from the template, that data can be passed as parameters to that component method. We can pass the event object also that contains basically event details like source of the event, type of the event. Let us try to understand all this with simple example program. Yeah, this is the simple example application which is created by Angular CLI. Let me try to add button. Okay, let me add event. If you want to add event binding, we need to put in parentheses specific event. Let me put the click event. Let me use one method display alert. Okay, this is the method that belongs to the component class. So here I am writing that method. Okay, let us display some alert here. It's some text. Let me put hi. Okay, let me save this. Okay, let us try to understand the output of this. Let me close this. Okay, when I click on this thing, there should be alert or should be opened with hi. Yeah, we can see that hi is displayed in alert. That means when the click event occurs on this button, then a specific method is called from the component class. Okay, suppose if I want to pass some data from template to component, let me put that text. Let me put some name John. Okay, okay, that I need to use it here. Let me take that one as name, type is string. Okay, let me add that to alert. Let us see the output. Yeah, we can see that the text John is displayed on alert. This is the way we can pass the data from uh, template to component class. Okay, suppose if I want to pass event object, that also we can pass it. Let me try that also. Event. Okay, that needs to be captured here. Generally this type is event. Okay, let me use this in alert. Let me take that type. I'm just displaying some information. The type specifies what is the type of the event. Okay, let me try this. Let me close this. Yeah, we can see that click event. This is the way we can pass the data from template to component class by using the event binding. Thank you.